Happy Monday! Previously on Kimba TV. MBL says, Kims, did you close your short? Yeah. The Discord, everything is in the Discord. And also on the Viper. Can you guys see it? 900 is probably a short. Yeah, so let's not get too ahead of ourselves. 25.8 is also an interesting area for a possible long. I think it's good timing because, as you know, this is value area low range. So if like bears, bears need to dump this now. Otherwise, we're headed to 600. Maybe even a sweep of that thangity thang up top. So I feel like it's a good time to be starting the stream, y'all. Crucial level. Bears, you really do not want acceptance above like 380. I mean, I think it's already too high. I think it's already going to 600, but anyways, we're creeping up into, this is value, we're above value area low, so you know what it is. Bing bong ding dong, full rotation will be going up into the 650s. But let's see what happens, and then if this gets rejected, then it's we're gonna see the 25.8. So let's get ready, y'all. Okay. Baby girl bought me my coffee so we can start. Hold on. Swap basis, you're going to combine the 26.6 sweep, value area high with the 26.850 single prints, or two different plays. I actually have my TP spread out. Okay, so real quick, who was on the VIP stream watching me get into longs and getting stopped out twice? And then I said, bruh, okay, fuck that. I'm gonna just wait until it makes a higher high. I got real close to getting stopped out right there. Yeah, but I was attempting longs a little bit too early, so I got stopped out in small losses. Let me boot up the thing so we can show it. But right now is a really good time to be streaming, to be honest, because it's a crucial level. If it encroaches upon value area low, it'll rotate to the 600s. So yeah, all right, hold on, let me turn this shit down. All right, because I gotta nerd out here too. How we doing? Swabe, I will probably do them as one thing. So I actually have TP. Well, let me load it up. I have TP all the way to, I believe, like 850 or something, starting from 600, if I'm not mistaken. You guys want to know what my setup looks like right now? Hold on, can I just copy image link on this bad boy? Cheers! That's from that. From the cup. Juice, you see it? You see the thang? That's my situation right now. Happy Monday, y'all. All right, let me get caught up on chat here. Yannick, thank you for the resub. Swabe, I have them all spread out. But this is a good little time to be streaming because we're going to see the battle right here. Bears have to really try to get the shit out of the price action out of the range. Bulls have to try and hold 300. It's going to be a nice little game. Hey, shout outs to all the college football games. RIP Colorado, they got smacked. Holy shit. Yeah, brother, I am actually in a long. I was doing it. I was on my flight and I was trying to get these sweep plays, and then I was like, nah, fuck this shit. And so I let it hold, like make structure, like make a higher high, and then I got the Big Daddy Kimba box. But yeah, the value area here, you see it? Yeah, so never give up. I'm in a long right now. I'm going to move my stop loss up so that I can secure like 10 or 15 or something like that. But long story short, this is a battle right here. Bulls need to hold like 300 and bears need to get the price action out of here. You know, the longer that you stay here, that you would have a higher chance for a full rotation back up to 600. Yeah, but I think 26.8, I'll probably get into a short. Right now, if bulls are able to hold like 300, 315, 310, then the longer that they do it, the higher the probability becomes of being able to rotate back up to the 500, 600s. If the bears just start to reject right away, we're going to 25.8. I think is that simple. MM Hunter says, hey, Kimba, short in 2 days. 28,000 short in 2 days. Let's just take it step by step. I might, like, the value area high is 26.6. So I am TPing at 26.6, but I'm letting more run all the way through the single prints. But I think like 26.6, 26.7, 26.8 is actually the short. I don't know about 28,000. I would just take it level by level. Yanguti says, hope you had an awesome trip. I had an amazing trip. My friends had an amazing time. It was awesome. Yes, I'm excited to be back with you guys though. Yeah, nothing's really changed, Swift Raven, from the Friday Miami stream. 25.8 is the zone that you're looking at for TPing. You know, if you're in a juicy ass short, like that's another level TP, depending on what your entry is. And then I'm more in favor of the Kimba box entry. So I actually think if you wanted to long, it would actually be with limits lower than that golden pocket. There is like a little bit of a rushed high at the 26.6, 26.7. Okay, so if we can get and hold on to 300 to 350, which is the value area low, then we have a chance to rotate all the way to the 500, 600 level. And then obviously you are aware of the 700 and 880 single print, right? And what do we say about single prints? Don't be the idiot that gets stopped out at the single print. So basically, I have this little thing between 26.6 and 26.850, I have TPs. And then stop loss, tiny P, so I can't lose basically. And then maybe 20. It's gonna be lower than 25.8 for a long, I think. Alrighty, and I think you can pull like the fib and you see it, point of control 25.8, you see it. So alrighty, and then on S&P it's a little bit of a shot in the dark, but 43.50. Okay, is what we would be trying to see if it can have a reaction at 43.50 on S&P. Okay, that's about it. And you've been here long enough. It's a Monday, so the volume is pretty low. You know what I mean? It could be a setup for turnaround Tuesday. You know what I'm saying? All right, so that's about it. Nothing too complicated. And then a bunch of your brothers and sisters were pointing out that we got weekly options expirations, monthly options expirations, GDP and PCE. All right, so this week will be funky. And like dirty socks funky. Not like expensive truffle oil funky. So you still don't want to blindly take anything. Obviously, if you start to notice open interest or CVD kind of counter showing what you need it to, or if Sato is in the same position as you, don't do it. Maybe on the next level or wait for an edge, okay? I'll face 25.4, 25.5. Oh, yeah, exactly. Here, I'll show you if you want to look. Okay, this one. I can't figure out which one is which. Exactly. I wouldn't play this. I would go like this. Yeah, maybe even like this. Yeah, hopefully. I mean, I don't think that's gonna happen tonight. Hopefully not. So, yeah, I think we would still have another shot at talking about it tomorrow, I think. If we grab that 28.2 next, yes, something like that, but the 27s would still be interesting, I'll face. Yeah, and it could go even higher. I think it all just depends on the confluence with S&P, because the market makers are going to have to, ride that downstream, if you will. or upstream. So, but yeah, that 28.3 is definitely going to get swept at some point. I'll face, but it could be, and just remember that if you want a long going into 28.2, then you would actually prefer like that 24.8 or 24.5 got swept. You don't have to necessarily go to the 21, 22, or even like the high 23s. You could just do like a simple normal sweep of the previous lows and just kind of recalibrate CME, Coinbase, and all the derivative exchanges. For now, let's just watch 26.6, and then the first single print, and then the last single print, and then you got Fibonacci confluence. All right, boys? Alrighty, but that's if S&P doesn't shit themselves and Macaulay doesn't have diarrhea time right now. So we still need to survive 13 more minutes of this goofy shit. And then we got S&P coming up. S&P could just go to 43.50 and then shit itself too. So got to keep an eye on everything. But I think for the most part, brother, like 99%, I think we're looking at the exact same thing, right? Itafel, not financial advice. And if you really want to have fun with it, you probably want to maybe theorize a scenario where maybe the first short attempts get stopped out, but then like that 27.2 starts to look good. Yeah, I'm actually like I know that it's going to be like an awkward moment where I get stopped out and I have to think about the 27.2 again. I'm already anticipating that goofiness. Yep, but it's gonna be monthly options expirations, weekly, and we have GDP and PCE. So we should get at least maybe one juicy trade, a juicy dub, whether it's a short or a long this week. And as long as we can minimize the losses, hopefully it's a net positive week. So we'll have fun with it. We'll have fun with it, brother. We'll have fun with it. And we talked about it with YSEC too, but Itafel, that 25.8 is coming. Whether it's from 27.2 and we go and grab it, or it's actually 26.7 or 26.750. So I think the level is pretty, and I'm not even going to long 25.8. I don't know if you heard it, Itafel, but on the big daddy swing high, swing low, I would much prefer to wait for like down here, so I would prefer to long this, not like 25.8, but I don't know. We'll keep an eye on it, but that 25.8 is probably coming. So we'll see if it wants to sweep, stop all those shorts out and then go, because then that might indicate it wants to go even lower. We might even sweep the 24.8. But yeah, if this goes here now, then I'm gonna probably try to attempt something here and then maybe sweep that. But yeah, I'm rooting for you, Itafel. It's pretty cool because especially for all the OG and veteran lions, we all have the levels similarly identified. It's if there's any differing in opinion, it's about which level is gonna get tapped first. It's not really so much about, I'm bullish here or, I'm bearish here. It's really just about, no, I think this one's going to get grabbed first. Discipline says, what about Golden Pocket at 25.6, 25.8? Yeah, so we talked about it, Discipline, so I'm sure it'll be in the highlights, but I'm more of a Kimba box longer, so I'm sure that 25.8 is going to have a lot of TPing on shorts, and there should be some sort of bounce. But you know me, I'm more of a Kimba box player. So there's the 786 is what, like 25.4, or excuse me. Yeah, 25.4. So I think anywhere between 25.6, 25.4 is acceptable. But I think I'm going to be more of a Kimba box player. Yeah, but I see you, Discipline. I see you. That's Golden Poquito. I'm just going all the way down to Kimba box. Yeah, I think 25.8 people are going to get swept. But that's just what I'm kind of, Everybody knows the TPs and stop losses. So fingers crossed. All right. But honestly, the best part is even if I'm wrong, the worst thing that happens is I walk away with like 5, 6, 7K or whatever. And whatever it is for you, just understand that you got to take a shot risk free. And that's already a W in and of itself. All right. Shout outs to longers. Shout outs to shorters. All right, I think we have S&P level set, right? 4350. We'll take a look at gammas again more tomorrow. We got levels to the upside. We got single prints. We got the value area high. We got full rotation play. You guys know where the value area low is. Maybe high block one more time just before you go. We wrap it up, just so everybody has a clean one. Look at that. So that doesn't help anybody. Okay, yeah, classic. But yeah, 26.5 is bright, and then 26.925 is bright. Okay, and then that's it. So you got single prints to the top, you got single prints to the bottom. You already know what it is. Alrighty, all right. Make sure you guys join the Discord. You're not in this alone. Longer, shorters, I'm rooting for each and every one of you guys. Market makers know that I'm heading out. What a day. What a day. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Monday. I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Market makers. All right, there you go. There you go, market makers. All right, you guys. Rooting for each and every one of you guys. Stay safe. Sato, take it away.